it's me again, Sophie, and today we're going to make a strawberry. So let's start by molding the clay into triangular or cone shape. You can use a pink or a red color of clay, but this one I chose to use this pink. So press on the top and mold the tip like this, right, to have a perfect strawberry tip like that. See? And then get a stick or toothpick for engraving tool. Use the tip to create a dimply texture to our strawberry, and make sure it covers everything, okay? So like that. So we have now a dimply texture to our strawberry. And for our strawberry crown, get a green color of clay, roll and make at least a 6 to 7 piece of it like that. Roll it and place on top. Make sure that they have the same length. Just continue to do it until you cover everything, okay? And kids, if you want to watch more videos and to be updated of my latest crafts, just simply click on the subscribe button, okay? So we have now a 4, and then this is for the 5th crown, okay? Alright, and this is gonna be the last. Remove the excess, and then gently roll and make a small clay, make a small like a stalk to our strawberry. Ta-da! You see? So kids, remember, eating strawberry is good for your body, okay? So I hope you enjoy today. See you! Bye-bye!